The default Samsung keyboard available on the Galaxy Watch is very inefficient. For instance, whenever you're typing something on your Galaxy Watch and you want to type a number, you have to swipe up and change the keyboard. Whenever you want to insert an emoji in a text, you have to swipe up and change the keyboard. Even inserting commas or symbols require extra steps. So in today's video, I'll show you how to change and get Gboard on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. I'm using the Watch 8 Classic, but the steps I'll show you will be similar across all Galaxy Watches, be it 5, 6, 7, 8 or the Ultra. So first things first, open the Play Store on your Galaxy Watch. Search for Gboard and install it from there. After installing it, open Settings on your Galaxy Watch, scroll down and tap on General. Then open Keyboard List and Default. Tap on Default Keyboard, select Gboard and tap the check icon to confirm. Now whenever you open the keyboard in any app, for instance when using WhatsApp on the Galaxy Watch, you'll get the Gboard. Now you won't have to swipe up to change the layout. You can access numbers, symbols and emojis with a single tap, which is way more convenient and fast. And that is how you can change the default keyboard and get the Gboard on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. Honestly, on such a small display, this tiny convenience makes a huge difference. So if you use your Galaxy Watch to reply to messages often, switching to Gboard is honestly one of the best small upgrades you can make. Try it out and tell me in the comments, do you prefer Samsung's keyboard or Gboard? If you found this video informative, then leave a like, subscribe to Wearholic for more wearable content.